right, you ever have that problem? And then you look at your garage door opener and you're like, how in the world do I get a battery in that thing? Well, I'm about to show you how. All right, first thing you do, you actually can take this visor clip off the controller, and you can see a little slot right there, and it fits perfectly for the little clip to fit into. Then you're just gonna kind of twist it, work your way around, and it's gonna pop right off. You can see how the button comes with it. And then you see where the battery fits right here with the lettering up, which is the plus side. And it is a 2032, which I happen to have right here. All right. So what we're going to do is pop it on out. All right, got the battery, brand new. Kind of just slide it in there. All right, there's a tricky part, putting it back together. All right, boom. Now let's see if it works. There we go. And all right, got the clip back in. We're good to go. And that's an easy way to fix your battery. Just take the clip off, pop it open, put a battery in. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button.